With this example, you will better understand how people's perception and your own change when viewing the photograph with different colored lighting. First, we will start by adding purple lighting. To do this, we click on green, since its opposite is purple. We make the three dots diagonally and go from bottom to top very subtly downwards for each point. As we can see, the perception of the photo changes. Before the encounter, they looked like a cold person, and now they look more elegant, more attractive. This is how the photo looked originally. It even looks a bit strange. And it is not because of the person, the outfit, or the background, but just because of the lighting color. Now we will change the lighting colors to some blue tones. This is done by selecting blue and turning it up. As we can see, it looks cleaner, uh, also a bit colder. It looks more masculine. By pressing the little box in the top right, we can see how the photo looked before at the beginning and how it looks with the edit you just made. Now we will see how the perception changes when editing it with red lighting. For this we go to the colors and select red, and in the same way we place the 3 points on each line. And let's turn it up. As we can see, the person changes to look a bit aggressive, also like powerful, also masculine. It generates more passion. It is a color that stands out when you see it. If it were a woman, it wouldn't look masculine, but rather it would look sensual. Now we will also do it with an image of a woman, so you know how your perception changes when seeing her with different colored lighting. We will start by changing her lighting to blue tones. As we can see, it looks very elegant, very refined. The photograph is completely cleaned up. The clothes even look whiter, it conveys peace. Now we will change the lighting to purple tones. I think her skin looks more nourished, it looks more imposing, and it also looks tougher. This can also vary depending on her facial expression. Now we will change the lighting to red tones.